Coloradans have been hit hard by different illnesses this fall, and now there is another one impacting kids of special concern. State Health Department is very concerned about recent strep A cases, which can lead to other infections. So far, there have been 11 reported cases in Colorado kids since November 1st. That's just here in the Denver area. Sadly, 2 of those children have died. Our Michael Abeyta live on that story in Aurora. Michael, you looked into why this is so concerning today.
Yeah, Jim, just in time for the holidays, there's a lot out there that could make your family sick. But while doctors say these seasonal illnesses are dangerous, they're also preventable and treatable.
Right now, it's easy to get sick in Colorado. The season has already seen an increase in the number of cases of flu and RSV in children. Plus, COVID is still lurking around. But now an extremely rare and severe type of strep is also on the rise,
which we call invasive group A strep.
2 young children in the Denver metro area who had group A strep have died recently. But CDPHE says it's too early to say that that's what killed them.
So we know that these children had this infection, but we're still awaiting final reporting on cause of death.
Doctors say that group A strep is a bacterial infection and can occur in patients after they have a viral infection like the flu, RSV, or COVID, which makes vaccination even more important.
So we know that we can prevent COVID infections by COVID vaccine, influenza by influenza vaccine, and even chickenpox or varicella infections can lead to some of these invasive bacterial infections. So that varicella vaccine or chickenpox vaccine is another important way to decrease the risk of children developing these infections.
Doctors say parents should keep an eye on their kids' health, especially after a respiratory infection. And if their behavior changes, seek medical help.
If someone is having difficulty breathing, if they're more sleepy or difficult to arouse, if they're not eating or drinking like they were before, if they're not walking anymore, those are all warning signs that they should be taken probably to the emergency room.
Well, group A strep is dangerous. It is also treatable with your usual antibiotics like penicillin and amoxicillin, and it is extremely rare, like I said, and death from that infection is even more rare. The last recorded death in Colorado was in 2018. In Aurora, Michael Abeyta, covering Colorado First.
Michael, thanks. So great to get the expert advice on that. We continue to follow the other respiratory illnesses sending Coloradans to hospitals. The Denver area reported 116 hospitalizations from RSV last week. The state also saying there was 339 new hospitalizations from the flu. And the number of patients testing positive from COVID at 395. By the way, the 7-day testing positivity rate for COVID now at 10%, down from 12%.